Head over to github.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new repository for your project. Give it a suitable name and a description if necessary. Install Git on your computer if you haven't already. Head over to this website and install it on your machine. Once Git is installed on your computer, the next step is to initialize a local Git repository. In your project directory, open a terminal there and run this command. The next step now is to state your files for commit. Run the following command to stage all your files. Staging your files simply means you want to add the files to the next commit, therefore the command adds all the files in the staging area. Now, run the following command to save changes in your local repository. Connect your local repository to GitHub by going back to GitHub and copying the repository URL from there. Head back to your local repository and in the terminal run the following command to connect the local repo to the remote repository on GitHub. Finally, you'll need to run the following command to push your local repository to GitHub. Then head over to GitHub, refresh the page and you see your files there. With these simple guides, you can now share your project, collaborate with other devs and keep track of your project development. Don't forget to like and follow for more.